Alright, so I found the home. It is in the woodpecker hole. Look at him. Is that the female or the male? That's what's up. Sorry, y'all. Now all of a sudden the camera wants to be extra focused.
Let's dig it out. Come on,
Chill, man.
faster now.
Oh, that's messed up. And if I step outside, it's gonna leave. Alright, I'm back again. Yeah, paused it. See, it look like a type of wren. I know you got a little mohawk like. And he's yellow with a brown finish around the head and stuff.
We did it.
I'll do an inside video. I'll take my ladder over there so you can see. You see way better.
All aboard. We are on a train today delivering 10,000 pink marshmallows to Bearhead Station.
Can you see it now?
Plus, we gotta build the track so we can get there. Come on. We lay the tracks
Yeah.
on the solid ground.
Hey. That's what's up, y'all. Belize.
Now we hammer down the
That's what's up. All right.